patrioning. From a struggle of sovereign power, prayer for a royal commission mark a great change. Yet the latter has been called the beginning of formulation of India's demand. If, however, both 1857 and 1885 represented national movements, it is obvious that nationalism is different thing at different times. The difference lies not only in the objective but also in the human content. In 1857, feudal chiefs and their soldiers were the nationalists. In 1885, 72 gentlemen extracted from the middle classes, including the cadre of retired government servants. These facts threw a flood of light on the problem of nationalism and national unity. Neither the feudal chiefs who fought in 1857 nor the Babos who founded the Congress in 1885 compromised the whole nation and stood for all the classes and groups within it. It would have been comic for the peasant in 1885 to have united with the Babos in demanding seats in the council and more job for the English. Educated, perhaps it's not quite obvious even now that it is slightly less comic today to expect the peasant to unite again with the Babos in fighting for an undefined Swaraj and mysterious thing called the motherland. Phrase 6. Thus we see a nation does not in reality mean the whole nation, nor does nationalism comprise the interest of all the classes and groups within it. At different time, different classes constitute the nation and give expression to nationalism. What class or group would play this role at given time depends upon the circumstances of history and the structure of society. It may often happen that so-called national interest of movement is actually against the real interest of majority of the people. When the cry of the nation is when the cry of nation is in danger was raised the general election in 1931 in Great Britain. The purpose in reality was to stamp the people into voting for the reputation of British capitalism, standing as it did for its exploitation and economic